Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, once said, "The superiority of the speech of Allah compared to all other speech is like the superiority of Allah over His creation." This profound wisdom, my dear friends, serves as our compass today as we journey through the story of Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, who sought a unique way to remember Allah. In the annals of Hadith, it is narrated by Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, may Allah be pleased with him, that Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, once asked Allah for a special way to remember him. "Oh my Lord," he implored, "teach me something through which I can remember you and supplicate to you." Allah in His infinite wisdom responded, "O Musa, say La ilaha illallah." But Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, expressed his desire for something more unique, something that was his and his alone. "O Allah," he said, "all of your servants say this." To this Allah replied, "O Musa, if the 7 heavens and all they contain other than me and the 7 earths as well were all placed on one side of a scale, and La ilaha illallah was placed on the other, the side with La ilaha illallah would surely outweigh the other." This story, my friends, is more than just a tale from the past. It is a powerful reminder of the weight and significance of the phrase, La ilaha illallah. There is no deity but Allah. It is not just a statement of faith, but an affirmation of the supremacy of Allah and a testament to His singular power and majesty. Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, wanted a unique way to remember Allah, but he was taught that the most potent remembrance is already within our grasp. It is the phrase that all servants of Allah utter, a phrase that, despite its simplicity, carries more weight than the 7 heavens and earths combined. The lesson we learn from this hadith is the power of La ilaha illallah. It is a phrase that encapsulates the essence of our faith, the core belief that there is no deity worthy of worship except Allah. It is a phrase that is more potent than any other, capable of outweighing the 7 heavens and earths. So my friends, let us remember to utter this powerful phrase in our daily lives, to keep the remembrance of Allah alive in our hearts, and to understand its profound significance. For in the grand scale of existence, La ilaha illallah outweighs all else. In the end, the story of Prophet Musa's, peace be upon him, quest for a unique remembrance serves as a timeless reminder that the most powerful words we can utter are already on our tongues. May we always remember to value and appreciate the weight of La ilaha illallah, and may it serve as a constant reminder of Allah's supremacy and our servitude to Him. And with that, we conclude our exploration of this beautiful hadith. Until we meet again, may peace and blessings be upon you all.